So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And then you want to scroll down and find Bluetooth. You want to click on run. And then you want to open this up. Wait for this to load. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on yes. And then you want to follow all the steps that come up. So you want to click on continue, follow all these steps, and hopefully that'll fix your problem. If the problem is still not fixed, then you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, I don't have Bluetooth on this, but in your case, you're going to be having Bluetooth. So you want to expand Bluetooth, and then you want to find your Bluetooth device. You want to right click on it, and then click on uninstall, and then click on uninstall again. So you want to uninstall your Bluetooth device. And now once you uninstall your Bluetooth device, you just want to restart your computer, but keep on watching the video. So restart your computer. And now once you're back in Windows, you want to head over to search and type in Bluetooth and other devices. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on add device, and then click on Bluetooth. And then you want to find your Bluetooth device again, and you want to add it. And then the problem should be fixed.